This black mold on your wall might look small right now, but it's slowly spreading deeper into your home every single day. Most people ignore it in the beginning, and that's exactly how it turns into a serious problem later. At first, it looks harmless, just a few dark spots, but over time, it grows quietly in damp corners, spreading across walls without you even realizing it's getting worse. And once it spreads too far, cleaning it becomes frustrating, exhausting, and time-consuming. It's no longer just a small stain, it becomes a real nightmare. Most people immediately reach for bleach, thinking it will completely remove the mold. But the truth is bleach often only cleans the surface, and the mold stays alive underneath. So they scrub harder and harder, spending hours trying to remove it completely. But even after all that effort, the results are still disappointing. And the worst part is, the mold keeps coming back again and again. No matter how many times you clean it, it feels like you can never fully get rid of it. But what if there was a simple solution? Something cheap, easy to use, and actually more effective than expensive cleaners? This method doesn't require bleach. It doesn't need aggressive scrubbing, and it works using something you can get for almost nothing. In fact, many expensive cleaning products don't work as well as this simple trick, and that's why most people never even hear about it. So here's the secret. A simple $1 powder that can completely change how you clean mold and save you time, effort, and money. First, take a small amount of this simple white powder. You don't need anything expensive or complicated here. Just a basic ingredient that most people overlook, but it's surprisingly powerful when used the right way. Now, place the powder into a clean bowl. Make sure the area is dry and ready, because this step is important to get the best results possible. Next, slowly add a little bit of water. Don't pour too much at once, just enough to start forming a smooth mixture. Now, mix everything gently. Keep stirring until it turns into a thick paste. Take your time here, the texture matters a lot. What you're looking for is a creamy texture, not too watery and not too dry. This perfect consistency is what makes it work so effectively. Once your paste is ready, take a brush or cloth to apply it. Make sure it's easy to spread and covers evenly. Now apply the paste directly onto the mold. Don't miss any spots. Cover the entire affected area completely. Spread it evenly across the surface, making sure every part is fully covered. This step is key to removing the mold properly. Now let it sit for a few minutes. Don't touch it yet, just allow it to work on its own. This is where the magic really starts happening. As it sits, it begins to break down the mold, working deep beneath the surface, not just cleaning what you can see. After a few minutes, come back and gently wipe it off. No need to scrub hard like before. You'll notice immediately, the mold starts disappearing with almost no effort. It's much easier than traditional cleaning methods. Even the stubborn spots, the ones that never came off before, are now fading away quickly. Keep wiping gently, and watch how the surface transforms completely. It's almost like restoring the wall to new. Within minutes, the wall looks clean, fresh, and bright again. No harsh damage, no stress. And the best part is, this method doesn't rely on strong chemicals. It's simple, safe, and effective. You can use this technique in multiple areas, not just one spot. Anywhere mold tends to grow. Bathrooms, kitchens, even ceilings. This works almost everywhere in your home, making cleaning much easier overall. And compared to expensive cleaning products, this costs almost nothing. Yet the results are even better. That's why this trick feels almost unbelievable. Simple, cheap, but incredibly powerful. Once you try this method, you'll never want to go back to scrubbing for hours again. It completely changes how you clean. Your home will stay cleaner for longer, and mold won't return as easily as before. Cleaning becomes faster, easier, and much less stressful overall, saving you both time and effort. No more frustration, no more endless scrubbing, just a simple and smart solution. All you needed was something simple, something most people ignore. But now you know how powerful it really is. And that's the reason this trick is not widely talked about. Even though it works so well, now you have the knowledge. You can clean smarter, not harder. Try this method yourself and see how effective it really is in your home. You'll be surprised by the results and how easy the process actually feels. Mold gone, clean surface, and a home that feels fresh again.